folks, it's me again. Should I do a weekly what's new? I think I'll do one next week because I have a, what do you call it, a whole bunch of them already update and there's not much to say. So we're skipping the weekly what's new. This is going to be the weekly tool barrage. Yeah, my bench is a mess because I've been doing some little odd jobs in here. And I'm going to do a tool review of some tools. First thing I'm going to show you is something that I picked up several weeks ago and it's been in my pocket for about, I don't know. Let me see. This is there. I bought these for a specific reason. And I will show you as soon as I get it in my pocket. I probably should have prepped this a minute ago. But I don't plan videos, I just kind of do them. This isn't one of those super channels where I plan everything. So first up on the agenda, before I sneeze, my first and foremost is I picked up, I'll try to get a photo on here, some of these double-ended little socket things. What are they for? They're part of my three-wheeler. Basically, I was taking off the, I changed the wheel on it. I think there's a video of me changing the wheel. Oh no, I didn't record it because I was just, and I over-tightened or did something and I broke one of these off, and I was told on the Honda group that, guess what, you can just redo it, because I wasn't sure if the, this little double-ended widget here, which, I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Basically it holds on the wheel on the vehicle. I wasn't sure if it was like soldered in there, welded in, casted in there, whatever. So, but they said you just put a bolt on it, it should spin right out, it should come out. Should come out, but it's a 35 plus year old bike, and so we all know what happens with old bolts. So with that, I'm gonna change that. I bought a few extra in case I screw it up, it's the wrong size, wrong length, whatever. So that's part of it. I should put this in a little baggie. First, after that, I picked up, this has been waiting a week to pick up. I picked up a Craftsman, what is it? 35 piece SAE and metric, I don't know, what's this say? Bit driver set. I may have used it because I need to take my license plate off. So there's no really need to use this, but you know, what the hell. I put it back in the package and I'm just gonna, so yeah, that come off, is it? I already cut it open, so we'll just make it easier, see? Easy. Did I cut the box? Oh. So anyway, it comes in this very nice Craftsman little box. Let me see if my light works here. Yeah, light works. Light works a little better. Comes with a security tag in there. And a back little thing here. Let me throw this in the garbage. 11 one offset ratcheting wrench, 10 6-peat SAE, and then whatever, 23 specialty bits, and 1/4 inch driver bit. Why did I use this? Well, I was trying to get my license plate off, and I just noticed something which drives me nuts. See, because you got these things, and guess what? Why is it out? This is definitely a DeWalt thing to put this stupid thing sticking out right here. So anyway, it's, if you look at it, it's higher than the box, so maybe the boxes stack together or something. Yeah, maybe. So anyway, let me go get the DeWalt thing. Stay here. Where's the DeWalt thing? The DeWalt drill set should be around here somewhere. Is it in here? Where's the DeWalt? I know I got it in here somewhere. Where's the DeWalt bits? Let's go look. Where are the DeWalt bits? The DeWalt bits. Yabba dabba DeWalt. Guess what? The one time I want. That one time I want something and I can't find it. Anyway. Is it on my bench? I don't think so. Anyway. It's this. Basically it's sockets. Piece of plastic, but it was this little thing that caught my attention, right here. This, this little tiny ratchet gizmo. I have never used one of these little tiny things, let me put it this way, in my entire life. And what does it do? It actually worked really good. I basically I took this bit, where is it? I think it was this one, or maybe it was this one. Took this bit, dropped it in here, and basically used it as a ratchet. Has a little lefty righty thing, see? If you can see that, left and right. And what I noticed later, I thought this was cool, just looking at the box. But then I noticed later you can stick this in here and use it for a small itty bitty little wrench. Not always handy, I'll admit, it's not the greatest little thing. Made in Taiwan, it's a little package. But if you're just doing a little tiny repair in your house or something, it's good for me. Good for a little home, the home nut job. This comes out, I guess. Yeah, why would that come out? That's stupid. Probably so you can drop other shit. So anyway, I picked up this one. Took my license plate off, which, if it wasn't for this, I probably wouldn't have got it off. I definitely would have got it off because I got the license plate off my car. I just didn't have a screwdriver with me. I only had this and this little thing, so this worked pretty good. Do I have a, like, totally honest opinion about this? My first honest opinion is these things suck. Like you never, like, most of these are useless. Everybody has 4,000 drill bit. These are like, oh, 20 piece. They give you like they give you 5 cents worth of things. And these, some of them come in handy. But basically, these are like IKEA. These little bits are about as useful as those million free Allen wrenches you get for every piece of IKEA furniture you want to put together. But it's got a little case. It's good for somebody, yeah, whatever. So I bought that one. Oh, also the reason I bought this thing, it was like half price. It was like $15 or something. And then I picked up this one because it too was half price. So, and I think I got basically the same bits with a different thing. So let's open this one up here. There we go. Is that? Ooh, stinky. Let's open this one up. True internet fashion. Look at that. Let's open stuff with stupid tools. Yeah. Next time I'll use my Husqvarna. Little tiny. So anyway, this is a. Oh great! It doesn't want to come out. Let's cut this part here. Don't worry, I'm wearing a respirator. Yeah. So anyway, 24 piece, 11 quarter-inch, 13 specialty duals. Ooh. Maybe I'll use a laser next time. So anyway, this apparently must lock on here somehow. Let's see. Oh, fancy. I can buy all the little things and use them as storage boxes or throw all the tools out. So anyway, not that I want to buy 50 of these just for the storage. Wait, wrong one. Wrong one. It's a little micro ratchet, and it does have one little flaw. Like, okay, how do you get this out of here? Like, you gotta... Is there a way I'm supposed to get this out of here? How do you get the damn tool out of here? Okay, Craftsman, whoever owns this thing, how do you get the tool out? On the side of the road somewhere, you got no tools? There we go. Craftsman, little mini wrench. You can, here, go like this. Nice little wrench. I mean, it's just for me. Comes with some sockets, so you can, the socket on there works. Will I use it for heavy duty industrial use? Nope. Homeowner style, yeah, this is probably the one I could probably use. Put that in there and put the unremovable socket in here like this. So you can use it as a, what do you call it, a screwdriver ratchet, which is basically the same as the other one, but only it's a little bigger. Is this the most useful thing you'll ever buy? Probably not, but I wanted some extra sockets, and these are what? Standard? Where the hell's the number on it? Where the hell's the number on this thing? Oh no, wait a minute, there's no number in that because these are numbered. These are all SAE standard, so no big deal. I should have got one metric because I've been using them on the Honda for small spaces. Basically not your game-changing $50 million. It's not an expensive snap-on. It's not the greatest one, but you know what? For anybody who wants a cheap set of tools and wants dust all over them when they use the wrong tool to open it, seems like a plan. I like it. It's good for me. Except how do I get that out? I mean, like, what in the world possessed somebody? I'm guessing you could put this in your toolbox and then find a way to get it out. See, these pop out. This doesn't come out. You just lock it all. Have these little mini toolboxes that just lock together like this, which is pretty cool. See, this locks in there. That one in there. And lock that one there. Is that okay? This is something's not jiving. Come on, get in there. There we go. So I got two of them. They seem to fit together. That works. Are they high quality? No. They're made in what? Taiwan, I think? They're not made in America. They should make them in America. They expect everybody to afford this crap, but, you know, where's the jobs? Where is it made? Hencho, wherever. What? Where is it made? Where is it made? This is on the top. Made in Taiwan. USA and Canada only. Why is it US, Canada only? They don't use tools in other countries? Use like hatchets and what do you call it? AK-47s and rounds. Okay, and there's that. Got that. The other thing I picked up was a bottle of this stuff. This is liquid tape. It was like $10. What am I going to use this for? Let me open it, see if it... What am I going to use this for? It's gooey. Ooey, ooey, gooey. So anyway. Woo! I can smell that one. Contains aliphlactic solvent, naphtha, heptane, xylene, 2-butanone, ethyl benzene, if swallowed, called poison control. Huh. Such a nice ingredients list. Black, red, green, and white. Made in Mexico. Sure, and some waterproof seal. What is the point of owning this? Well, anyway, on my other bike, my emotional support three-wheeler, right where the stator wire goes in, the rubber wire cover is all wrecked. So in order not to get water in the motor, I am going to put this on the wire. And I don't know if this one has one, but it's basically going to waterproof my engine a little bit, just around the wire. It has nothing to do with the motor. It's not going any motor components, it's just but then I got to see if this is a high heat or what's this deal. Maybe it'll melt off. I don't know. What does it say? Oh wait. There's no instructions. What's the instructions say? Auto, marine, indoor, outdoor. Contain. May irritate skin, may irritate eyes, contents may catch fire, fumes may catch fire. Waterproof seal, insulates, protects, electrical tape, danger, urgent, flammable. So I'm not really putting it on the engine, it's just a wire going in the engine to seal up the wire so the water doesn't leak. So we'll see how it goes. Nice little completely black bottle. I don't think it's see-through. I think it's just black. And it's a what? 4 ounce. So other than that, if you like my little video here, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell me what you like in the video, and I will be making more videos. So toodles, hang in there. I have lots more. I have a hell of a lot of content I can record and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Toodles.